work for the day. I left at 3 instead of 4. I did some overtime this pay period, so I wasn't worried because I already have all of my full hours, so I'm not too worried. And I just felt like leaving an hour early, and I was able to do that, so I did. But I don't know why, but these last few days I'm just really tired. 25 to 4, I just ran to the bank to take some money out for my cash envelope system thing. If you watched yesterday's vlog, you would have seen by going through my budget binder at the end. If you watch the whole video, I do this thing called cash stuffing, where every time I get paid, I make a budget for the next 2 weeks, take the money out, and like, other than my bills that are online, the rest of the money goes towards something. So I have different envelopes for different things. I don't carry all of the money in my wallet, just like what I plan on doing for eating out, or like just the everyday necessities I keep in my wallet, but everything else I keep at home, or I put it in the bank. So it's a good system for me because I spend less. I worked out my budget a few months ago. I found out I was spending way more than I needed to. I'm no budget professional, but this way keeps me on track, and I can see where the money is going rather than just saying, oh, there's this, all of this money is in my bank account and like I can use it all until payday. Now I have money saved for car maintenance if something was to happen to my car, or I'm saving money now in like a travel envelope. Just different things like that, where normally I just wouldn't have the money to do those things, or I would just have to use my credit card to pay for my car, and then I'd have to pay that off over time. But this way is working out, and some weeks are harder than others when I don't get a full paycheck, but for the most part I'm able to divvy it up a little bit and see where my money is going and spend less. I think I was to the point where I was spending more money than I was making, honestly. So that wasn't good. So all of our bills obviously were getting paid, but it was very paycheck to paycheck. But that is something I'm working on in 2023. I just want to feel more comfortable with our money, and yeah. So that's what we're working on. But right now I am just gonna pop into Walmart. I need a few things for groceries. I need to go through and plan meals for the rest of the 2 weeks, and then maybe do a grocery order and pick those up. But for right now, I'm just gonna pick up a few things that I need. Seamus has a cough. I'm gonna get him some medicine, and then just things that I need for supper tonight. And I think we're gonna make tacos. So just getting some taco things, and if I see a couple things on sale, I'll grab them. But I didn't make time to look at the flyers and everything, so I'm going to just get the taco stuff for tonight, and then I'll work on the rest of the meals that we can do for the rest of the week and next week. Okay, I'm going to show you what I got at the grocery store really quick. Case of Fresca. Team Fresca. Got some shredded lettuce. Cara oranges. My dad used to buy these for me because they have my name on them, but they're actually really good, so I buy them when they're around. I got some tortillas for our tacos. Got Seamus some Diet Pepsi. Some sour cream for the tacos. Seamus has a little cough, so I got some Tylenol cold and sinus, and Dayquil Complete cold and flu for cough. I've never used this before, but he might like it. He might think it's good for his cough. I bought this for Seamus. After we have our tacos, if we have any wraps left, I'm going to use this beef sirloin strips. It's like in a little, it's fully cooked, pre-packaged, but it expires tomorrow, and it was on sale for half off, so I got that. And so he can use this for his lunch tomorrow in some wraps. I think he'll like that. And then I got Seamus and I chocolate bar. These ones are really good. They're the dairy milk with the mini eggs in them. Really good. And that's all I got. I don't know where my receipt is. I think that wasn't very much stuff. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 items, and I think it was $75. So I'm going to put all this away. I had Chip outside, and then I just have to fix my budget binder thing, and then I'm going to go to the gym. Just going to go before supper, get it done. I hate going to the gym at this time because there's a lot of people there, but the earlier I go, the quicker I get it done. So we're going to go to the gym. Hey guys, it's 10 after 5. I'm headed to the gym. It only takes me a few minutes to get there. So I'm going to work out for at least 45 minutes, and then I'll come back home for supper. Okay guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. We had our tacos, just cleaned up the kitchen, and I'm just gonna go edit this video. So I'm gonna take a couple of these sweets Seamus' mom sent over and eat those while I edit. And then I'm going to either watch some YouTube or watch some Netflix. These daily vlogs are getting easier to edit because they're shorter than like a full vlog that I would normally do of like a weekend. So yeah, if you've been liking the daily vlogs in January, definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Scroll down, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new videos from me. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again tomorrow.